Do you machine small parts, own a Swiss, auto lathe, or turning machine? If the answer is yes to any of these questions, you've come to the right place. Hello everybody, I'm Eddie Tunney, Horn Academy Manager at Horn USA, and throughout the next few videos, I'll be showing you the basics of Horn's iconic Supermini tool system. Let's get right into it. There are several types of tools within the Supermini family, and today we'll be taking a look at all of our standard sizes. But first, what is a Supermini, and what do these tools actually do? Supermini is our line of high-precision solid carbide tools for internal machining. They feature our patented shank geometry and come in thousands of shapes and sizes to suit your exact needs. They can be used for boring, profiling, grooving, back turning, pre-part off, chamfering, and full and partial profile threading. We also offer solutions for broaching and face grooving. Horn excels at providing special tooling solutions, so there's nearly an infinite customization to match your specific application. There are three main series of Superminis: the 105, 109, and 110. The 105 has the most options. They're ideal for bores larger than 8 thousandths of an inch. Next, there is a less common 109 for bore sizes down to 236 thousandths. Those offer a reinforced neck for increased rigidity. Lastly, the 110 handles bores larger than 236 thousandths and offers extended reach options when you need to get deeper into the part. So what do these names mean? As a general rule, 105 means the tool has one cutting edge and it fits a 5mm bore. 109 means it fits a 9mm bore. The 110 fits into a 10mm bore. We offer a wide range of proprietary in-house PVD coatings to match your exact material and application needs. If you're machining hard materials over 50 Rockwell, Superminis can be tipped with our ultra hard CBN. For non-ferrous alloys, we also offer CVD-D and PCD for extended tool life and superior finishes. To eliminate chip control problems, even in difficult materials, we've developed the world's first centered chip breaker for solid carbide boring bars and internal threaders. Check the description for links to see where you can buy Supermini, and visit our website to learn which Supermini is the right tool for your next job.